I am on the There.app homepage, and if you click this Get Started button, you're going to get the same action that you're going to see in a moment. You go down to the bottom of the page, this login button is the same as that Get Started, which I'll click in a moment. Additionally, we are accessible in the Google Play Store for use as an Android app and in the App Store for use on iPhone. Works excellent in browser as well, but certainly a lot of our usage is app-based. But just to walk through the sign-up process, and this is basically the same process people will have if they first become aware of us as you invite them to a project in the app. So if you don't yet have a login, then you would click to sign up. And I am going to create an on-the-fly email address just for purposes of this demonstration. You can disregard the suggested password from LastPass there. I'm not using it. All right, so I set up a password and entered my email address, and the last step is that I'll have a confirmation code of 4 digits, which I'm just looking up here on my phone, 3091. And so now I have a login. Again, as you invite people to projects, they'll go through the same experience. And the first thing to do is optionally to set up a profile. You can disregard all these things. It's just going to guess your name as whatever's to the left of the email. But if you start to type in a name, these are 2 first names, as you may recognize, that are top of my mind. So it's going to assume that the first name you type in is what you want to use. You can actually overwrite that with a nickname if you wish. You also don't have to show your email address. If somebody clicks this blue X, then even though they're using an email to log in, they don't have to share it with their team, right? So as the small text says up here, this is what your teammates see, and they're all optional fields. So additionally, their app is a platform for communication, but if people additionally want to add a phone number or a street address or other information, as you can see from the buttons below, those are all accessible. So now I have set up my profile. Actually, I'm going to add an image as well. So I can use as many or as few of those fields as I wish. And if I click to save, so if I was invited to a project, this is where I would see the invitation to a project because of the fact that I set up a new account, not based on invitation. I'm just on a blank account. And from here, I can start a project, which I am going to make another video about right now.